Hi, welcome to my video on the run and the rise on a point. The run is left to right and the rise is up and down. Rise and run of a line. State the coordinates of the new point for each. Here we go. From the point 0, 0 up to right 3. From 0, 0 up to right 3. So there's the new point, and the new point is x is 3, y is 2. From 0, 0, which is the origin right here, down 1, right 2. Down 1, right 2. So there's our new point. And that new point is x is 2, y is negative 1. From 2, negative 4, up 4, left 1. From 2, negative 4, right here, we're going up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, left 1. So we're right there, and that point is x is 1, y is 0. From negative 5, 4, down 3, right 1. Negative 5, 4. Start at 0, 0, negative 5 on the x, and 4 on the y. So that point is right there. And from that point, we go down 3, right 1. Down 3, 1, 2, 3, right 1. There's a new point. And that new point is negative 4, y is 1. From point negative 3, 5, we go down 4, left 2, negative 3, 5. X is negative 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the point. And from that point, we're going down 4, left 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, left 2. So that's the new point. Down 4, left 2. So that point is x is negative 5, y is 1. From 4, 4, up 1, right 4. From negative 4, negative 4. So there's 0, 0, negative 4 on the x, negative 4 on the y. There's the point, negative 4, negative 4. We go up 1, right 4. Up 1, right 4. There's the new point, and that new point, x is 0, y is negative 3. Another way to do that would be, if you didn't have a graph, would be to do this. Up 2 is plus 2. Right 3 is a plus 3. So when you go right or left, you add it on to the x. And when you go up and down, you add it on to the y. So 0 plus 3, 2. 0 plus 2 is 3 and 2. Down 1 is a minus 1. Right 2 is a plus 2. So you go right, so you put a plus 2 there. Down 1 is in terms of the y. So positive 2, 0 is 2. And negative 1 is 0 is negative 1. Up 4 is a plus 4. Left 1 is negative 1. So negative 1 on the x and a positive 4 on the y. Negative 1 plus 2 is 1. Perfect. Plus 4 minus 4 is 0. Down 3 is a negative 3. Right 1 is a plus 1. So right 1 is a plus 1 on the x. Down 3 is a minus 3 on the y. Negative 4 and 1. Perfect. And down 4, minus 4, left 2, negative 2. Negative 2 is with the x, and the minus 4 is down is with the y. So that's a negative 5 and a 1. Perfect. Up 1 is plus 1. Right 4 is a plus 4. So the plus 4 goes with the x, and the plus 1 goes with the y. That adds to give me 0. and a negative 3. Perfect. Okay, if everything is going great, you practice. Practice to see if you can find the new coordinates at a new point. If you've got them all done, pause the video and see if your answers are right. Here we go. 0, 0. Right here, we're going down 2 and right 5. There's the new point, and that new point is 5, negative 2. From 0, 0, which is the origin, up 3, 1, 2, 3, left 2. Oop, left 2. So that's the new point. And that new point is negative 2, 3. From 3, 2, from the point 3 and 2 is right there. And we go down 1, left 1. Down 1, left 1. There's the new point. And that new point is 2, x is 2, y is 1. And from negative 1, 4, negative 1, 4, negative 1, and 4 is right there. That's the point. And from that point, we go up 1, right 1. Up 1, right 1. There's the new point. That new point has an x coordinate of 0 and a y coordinate of 5. From negative 3, 0, negative 3 is right there on the x, and 0 on the y is right there. And we're going up 4, right 3. Up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right 3. So we have that point. And that point is x is 0, y is 4. And from negative 4, negative 1, negative 4 on the x, negative 1 on the y, right there. And we're going down 3, left, down 3, left 1, down 3, 1, 2, 3, left 1. There's the new point. That new point is negative 5 on the x and a negative 4 on the y. Negative 5 on the x, negative 4 on the y. And let's just verify here. Down, minus 2. Right, plus 5. So put a plus 5 and a minus 2. And that gives me 5 and a minus 2. Up 3 plus 3. Left is a minus 2. Minus 2 goes with the x. Up 3 goes plus 3 with the y. So negative 2, 3. Down 1 is a minus 1. Left 1 is a minus 1. So we put both our minus 1s on the left one goes on the x. The down one goes on the y, but they're the same. So add, you get a 2 and a 1. Perfect. Up 1 is a plus, excuse me, plus 1. Right 1 is a plus 1. And again, both of them are the same, so it doesn't make any difference where you put them. But the right is with the x and the up is with the y. Add on, you give me 0 and a 5. Perfect. Up 4 is a plus 4. Right 3 is a plus 3. So the right is with the x, so it's a plus 3 and a plus 4. Up is with the y, so there's a 0 and a 4. Perfect. Down 3 is a minus 3. Left 1 is a minus 1. So the left goes with the x and the down goes with the y. Add, negative 5, negative 4. Perfect. So I hope everything is working out for you and you understand about rise over run, because it's very important to do rise over run when you're doing the slope of a line, which is coming up next. Again, rise over run, but this is done a little bit different. And we're going to work through sample A first, and B and C, and then you can work on the practice ones. A is, right now A is 2 and 4. So A is 2, 4. 2 on the x, 4 on the y. So we can do, notice I'm always doing the rise, up and down, and then the run. So that's down 3. So it's down. I'm going to go D, down 3. So that's a minus 3. And we go right 2. So I'm going to put R for right, 2, and right is plus. So it's a plus 2. So if you put the run is with the x, so we put 2 plus 2 is 4, and negative 3 and 4 is a negative 1, a negative 4, sorry, 1 plus 1. So let's see if we're right. 4, 1. Yep. Again, 4, add on negative 3 is plus 1. B is right here. So B is starting off at x is negative 1 and y is 0. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4 up. So it's up 4, so that's a plus 4. And we're going 1, 2, 3 left. So we're going left 3, so that's a minus 3. And so we add the x onto the negative 1, so negative 3 and negative 1 is a negative 4, and plus 4 and 0 is a 4, so this new point should be the point of negative 4 on the x, 4 on the y. Perfect. C is right here, so this point is negative 3, and y is negative 1. That's the coordinates of C. So we're going down 2. So down 2 is a minus 2, and we're going left 1. So left 1 is a minus 1. So we take the coordinates of negative 1 and negative 3 will give me negative 4, and negative 2 and negative 1 will give me negative 3. So this new point right here should be negative 4 and negative 3. Perfect. Let's find E. E is right here, and the coordinates of E is a 3 and a negative. X is 3, y is negative 1. 3, negative 1. So we're going neither up nor down, so there's no run on E. Sorry, there's no rise on E. And the run is 2 to the left, so it's left 2, so it's a minus 2. So you take the 3 and add on the negative 2 will give you a 1. And if you take the 0 and add on negative 1, you get negative 1. So the new point is 1, negative 1. I'm just doing it both ways now to make sure. And F. F is right here. The coordinates of F are, F is, X is 4 and Y is negative 4. 4, negative 4. So we rise 1, 2, 3, up 3, that's a plus 3, but we're not running. So the run is a 0. So we add 0 to the 4 to get a 4, and we add plus 3 to the negative 4 to get a negative 1. So this new point is 4, negative 1, true. And G. G is right here. Okay, the coordinates of G, X is 0, and Y is negative 4. There's 0, negative 4. And we're going up 2, so it's up 2, so that's a plus 2. And we're going right 1, 2, 3. So right 3 is a plus 3. So 0 add on plus 2 is a 2. And negative 4 add on plus 2 is negative 2. So this new point should be, if everything, oh, let's see. Did we do it right? We went up 2, and oh, we went right 3. There's a plus 3. So that's 3 onto there. So that should be 3, negative 2. 3, negative 2. Yep. There's the new point. So I just got careless there for a second. And it's your turn. If you want, work out all these. So we can follow. Let's see. Here we go. From P. P is, the rise is 1, 2, 3. Up 3 plus 3. And the run is right 1. So it's a plus 1. So P is 3, 4. 3. X is 3. Y is 4. So we add 1 onto the 3 to get a 4. We add 3 onto the 4 to get a 7. So that point there is 4, 7. Perfect. Q. The point Q. Q is x is 2, y is 6. 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going down 4 minus 4. And the run is 2 to the left. So left 2 minus 2. So we add negative 2 to the 2 to get a 0. And we add negative 4 to the 6 to get a 2. So this point is 0, 2. Perfect. R. R is here. The coordinates of R is x is the negative 1. And y is 1. Negative 1, 1. So we are going up 2. Up 2 is a plus 2. And there's no run on that. So it's 0. So we're adding 0 to the negative 1 to get a negative 1. And we're adding 2 to the 1 to get a 3. So this new point is negative 1, 3. Perfect. S. S is x is negative 4. And y is 7. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down 6, so that's a minus 6. The run is right 2. Right 2. Right 2 is a plus 2. So take the negative 4 and add on 2, and you get a negative 2. Take the 7 and add on negative 6, and you get a plus 1. So this new point right here should be negative 2, 1. Perfect. Notice I always go up or down first, and then I go left or right. I rise first, and then I run. That's the way I plot all my points. And T. T is right here. The coordinates of T are a negative 4 and a negative 1. So T is going no up or down. So there's no rise on T, but there's a run of 1, 2, 3, right 3, so that's a plus 3. So 3 is added to the negative 4 to become a negative 1, and 0 is added to negative 1 to become negative 1. So this point right here should be negative 1, right? Y, the coordinates of Y, x is negative 1, and the y is negative 6. Negative 1, 6 is this point right here. And we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going up 4, so that's a plus 4. And when we get here, up 4, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's left 4, so that's a minus 4. So the minus 4 is added on to the minus 1 to become a minus 5. And the minus 6 add on plus 2 is, see, again I said up 4 and I put in a 2, so I make mistakes, find my mistakes. So 4 add on negative 6 is negative 2. Check the point. That's negative 5, negative 2. Perfect. And W. W is right here. The coordinates of W is 3, x is 3, and y is 0. So W goes down 2, so it's down 2, so that's a minus 2. And it goes left 3, minus 3. So minus 3 is added to 3 to give me a 0. Negative 2 is added to 0 to give me negative 2. So this new point right here should be 0, negative 2. Perfect. Z. Z is this point here. And the coordinates of Z is 1, negative 7. 1, negative 7. And Z will go 1, 2, 3, 4. It's up 4 or 4 up, making a difference. So that's a plus 4. That's an up for you. And it goes 4 up and 2 right. So it's right 2. So right is positive. So the 2 is added to the 1 to become 3. And the 4 is added to the negative 7 to become negative 3. So this new point here is 3, -3. Perfect. Hopefully, rise over run, you fully understand. Hopefully, everything is cleared up if you didn't know it before. And if you like my video, click the like button. If you're not a subscriber, click the subscribe button and the notification bell because there's more videos coming your way. And if you want to write a comment on my video, go ahead. And visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com. And you have 3 sections, one on me, which is talks about my degrees and teaching experience. And the video section talks about the strategy you're going to use to help learn your math. And the section on content talks about the top units and the number of videos that I'm going to have online in each section. And the black font is what's there right now, and the red font is what will be there in the near future. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.